Rivian has just launched the new R1 Travel Kitchen Kit in the Rivian Gear Shop. It is available now for only $1,400. This new R1 Travel Kitchen Kit is compatible with both R1T and R1S, and it features 2 induction burner with 9 heat settings, slide out door with cutting board, night light with 4 dimmable setting, padded storage bag and magnetic knife holder. This travel kitchen kit is perfect for both lunch and dinner meals. It's a portable outdoor cooking station. It works on any flat surface with electricity. If you want to buy this portable kitchen, then directly visit to official website of Rivian and search for Travel Kitchen Kit.